see all these Corvettes like this? Oh man, how it hurts my heart. Wait until you see what happened. We are at the National Corvette Museum now. This is actually for him, but he doesn't want to be on video. He loves Corvettes. I do too, but I think he loves them even more than I do. You missed it though, that we passed the factory. They had a brand new red, white, and blue one sitting out front. It was so pretty. They're so pretty. But we are going to go tour. Hopefully I can record inside, I don't know. But we're going to try to record some of these beautiful cars.
It says, while preparing to unveil the car, a member of the General Motors legal staff rejected the emblem, noting that the American flag could not be used on commercial product logos or emblems.
Mike, I know you're watching this. This one, I think, is yours. This would be yours right here. The orange and the purple. I think this one's for you. This one would have been Ronnie's race car right here. This one right here. This one's gonna have to be mine one day. I love the new. Yes. Yes. If you guys want to start a petition, that's fine with me. Just go ahead and start signing that. The 2020 Corvette Stingray, or 2021, could be newer, but that body style, the C8. Love it. Okay, so what you're seeing is actually they had a sinkhole develop underneath the rotunda, and all of these Corvettes right here is what fell down in that sinkhole, and they retrieved everything, and there's a simulation. Thankfully it happened when nobody was here, but there's sinkholes all over the place here. I'm actually standing on a grate that you can look down and see the bottom of the sinkhole. We're getting ready to go on the Corvette driving simulation. You nervous?
Yeah.
He's nervous. He's driving. I'm going to be in the passenger seat. You're going to do a great job. I have faith in you. You got this. We're next.
This could go all the way back.
So small.
Oh, this is fun.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
It's too bad I don't have a map.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Get on that green line. Get on that green
I'm
line.
gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when
You got this. You got it. Hold it.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
I'm terrible at this.
I can't wait till you get your learners.
Shut up. Dude, why would you say that?
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Okay, Miss I Don't Like Corvettes. How was it?
It was good. I really enjoyed seeing the older models that I've always seen growing up, because we always went to car shows. So that was pretty cool. I don't really care for the ones that are like made through like 1980.
The 90s up to
1990s,
80s
to,
and
like,
90s.
2000s.
Even the early 2000s aren't our favorite.
No.
That 2020, whew, so pretty.
That was 2021.
2021. 2020 is when the CA came out, but 2021, that red one is
red
so
one.
nice.
I do like the interior of the red one.
Well, we've done a lot this week in Kentucky. Thanks for following along with us. Hope you enjoyed the cave.
All of our crazy adventures.
All of our adventures, the Corvette Museum, all that other good stuff. So by now you have seen we have some problems with our RV.
Yes.
We're making our way up to Indiana to get those remedied.
Yeah, we're going to stay there for a couple of weeks before Grand Design takes the rig for a couple of weeks. So we will keep you posted.
It's travel day. Everybody's doing their part. We are getting ready to leave Kentucky, and we are headed to
Indian Lake, Indiana.
Indian Lake, Indiana. So that's what, like 4 hours?
4 hours.
4-hour ride for us. But we're gonna stop for lunch and stuff. We like that 4 hours seems to be good for us because we we try to get out of here by 10, go 2, eat lunch, drive another 2 hours, maybe switch up drivers, and it just goes by pretty fast. Now that she is driving the rig more, we are just about done inside. Now I gotta do my outside. See, it's different this time because usually I'm outside and I have finished everything up and then I'm in here trying to get them to wake up so that we can go. And I get super anxious. This time, I just kind of sat back and took my time this morning, and I think it's lining up better timing-wise because now I'm not just sitting around waiting.
Now he's not cranky.
We're going to be going, and we're heading up to Indiana. You guys have seen that we have some issues with our RV. This is the start of that. We'll be up in Indiana for, I don't even know how long now. Ugh.
Well, I mean, so Indian Lakes is 1,000 trails, and it's just for us to stop on our way up to the
Right.
Big Grand is on area. So this first week is not having anything to do with the rig.
But we're headed to Affinity.
It's just getting us there.
Yeah, we're headed to Affinity, get some other stuff taken care of, and then it goes to Grand Design for the side patio.
We're going to let Affinity do any of our warranty items that we have, and it's not anything major. It's like
Right.
some of the trim pieces are coming loose, and one of the LED stripes light strips outside is bad.
There's a bunch of stuff. We can list it off later.
It's just little stuff.
Yeah.
Nothing major. Patio's the only thing major that's happened so far.
Yep. And so now I got to go outside, and it's hot and humid. And
He's gonna be cranky when he gets back inside.
I'm not cranky.
Oh, dude.
Whatever. Whatever. I need a t-shirt that says I'm not cranky.
His anxiety levels go from here to here.
Travel day is tough.
On travel day.
I'll admit.
He's a little bit happier now that I'm driving, so that he can sit back and relax.
Yeah.
But he's still going to be anxious.
Yeah. Oh. All right. Let's get this show on the road.
Try